During this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Video Creation Studio inside of Social Video Spark. Now, to navigate to the screen that I'm on right now, just go to Video Studio and then click on Create a New Video. Now, once we're here, we're going to see that we have the canvas here. And if I kind of scroll down a little bit, we have some more options below that we're going to talk about in just one second. And the first thing that we really have to do here is we need to add a background. So I'm going to click on Select Background. This is going to give us a pop-up here where we can upload our own files. We can choose a solid color as our background. We can choose different pictures that we have here as our background. We can use a video clip here, or we can choose between our videos that we have previously created. So for now, I am going to head over to video clips, and then let's say I would like to use this one here. I am going to click on Select Video. And now we have this cool, little money on fire burning in the background here, and that's going to be our background. Now what I can do is I can also add text, for example. I'm going to click on Add Text. We're going to see this here. Going to make this bigger for us so we can see it. And of course, we can move this around. We can double click in here to change the text. We can change the color. We can change the font. We can add a shadow to it, just like that there. And then of course, if we change our mind, we can also remove this text if we wanted to. So I'm going to move this up here a little bit. Now, as I'm creating this on the right-hand side, you're going to notice that we have this slide here, and I can always click on Add Slide, and that's going to give me a brand new slide to work with where I can add a new background image. I can add, a video clip, different pictures, so I could use, this one, for example. And now this is our new slide where I can add text. I can come in here, I can add images and things like that and create a brand new slide. And we can kind of jump back and forth and see a preview of what this is going to look like. Down here in the bottom right-hand corner, we can choose the amount of time that this slide is going to last. So as of right now, it's 5 seconds. So when the video starts, after 5 seconds pass, it's going to switch to this slide, and then it's going to show this slide for the next 5 seconds. So we can adjust this to however long that we would like to show each slide. And like I said, we can kind of just customize this however we would like by adding text and images and backgrounds. And if you wanted to go with a more, sales video type, we can add a new slide here. We can use just a solid white background like this here. And then we can just add our text. So I could say something like, "Are you tired of making no money?" And then we can make this bigger here. And then we kind of drag this to the middle here. "Are you tired of making no money?" I can make this 2 seconds long. And then I can add a new slide and jump to the next part, do it again, and then add my next line of speech here. Another cool thing that we can do is if you are a pro member, we can add some custom audio tracks to our video. So for one, we can select the primary audio here, and we have all these different tracks that we can use. You can click this little play button here and listen to see what it sounds like. And if you like what you hear, you can just click on Use Audio, and that's going to add it to our track here. Also, what we can do, if I delete that, we can record our own audio. So I can click this button here. We can see at the top the browser is asking for permission to use my microphone. So I'm going to click on Allow, and we can see it's going to start recording. And now it's recording my voice as I'm talking, and we can see how long it's been recording. And then when I click on Stop, we now have this audio track that I just recorded that's going to automatically play with my video. And also what you can do before you actually record your voice, you can set this to dictation mode, and then our editor will be put into presentation mode, and the number of seconds spent on each slide will be updated automatically going along with your voice. Also, what we can do is we can add a background or a secondary audio track. Again, we can select the audio here, we can listen to the samples, and then we can click on Use Audio. Now, this is great if you are recording your own voiceover and you would like to have a nice track in the background to kind of go along with your voice. We can see the audio will automatically be lowered to 10% so that it doesn't conflict with your voice and kind of overshadow your voice where no one can hear you. Once you have this entire thing set up the way you like it, down here at the bottom, we can choose to use this as a standalone video, an intro video, and an outro video. If you remember in the previous tutorial videos where we created our post settings and you get to choose your intro and outro videos, this here will allow you to add this video to the custom section of those settings. So if I save this as an intro video, for example, next time you're in your auto post settings, you can add this video as your intro video. So this is completely up to you. Once you are done creating it, just click on Save and Render Video. And we can see that the video is now rendering, and it may take up to 5 to 10 minutes to complete. So I'm just going to click on OK, and now we are in our video studio and manage my videos. And once it is done processing, you're going to find that here in this list with the rest of your custom videos, and then you can use that to post it on Facebook or use it as your intro and outro videos. And that's just how simple it is to use the Video Creation Studio inside of Social Video Spark.